guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a little DIY using Cricut Design Space to custom make a lantern for my mom's house. Before I get into this, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'm going to be using this lantern. This is from Michael's, and what I want to do is put my house number, and well, this is my mom's house number, on here for her, but I made a mistake. What I mean is, when you peel off the 5, the sticky's not on this black part, so it's not going to be right. The sticky's going to be underneath and backwards, so before you continue in Design Space, which I'll show you, you have to mirror your image. So I've got a new piece of vinyl and I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're in Cricut Design Space, and the numbers that I need obviously are 508, and this is the space that I have to put the numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color of my numbers. This way you guys will be able to see it. So you want to highlight the numbers here, and then you're going to go up there and change that color to anything really. It's just representing something different. In order to put my numbers on top, you're just going to go down to where it says move forward in your screen when you right click, and now it's on top. Now that it goes on top, we can resize this. You want to keep this lock on and resize all of your numbers at once so that they're all even and the same as each other. And I'm just going to play around with this till I get it the size that I think will look right. Once you get your numbers to how you want them to be is when you're going to ungroup them. When you go over this way, there is something called ungroup. That's where the ungroup is in relationship to the make it, and you're gonna ungroup them. Now you could see you could freely move around your numbers. They're all separate, and you could place them on the black, which is representing the glass door on our lantern. Now that the 508 line up just right on what would be my glass screen of the lantern, we're gonna make it. And there's a very important step in this part. First, I'm just going to remove this. We're not making that, we don't need it. I'm lining up my numbers now, and I'm going to select all, and I'm going to go ahead and right click, and I'm going to attach them. And then I'm going to go to make it. And don't miss out on this very important step. Before you continue, you must mirror this image. You must put that on green so that when your numbers come out, they turn around and they're this way. Because then we're going to use our transfer tape and we're going to stick them on, and you'll see what I mean. They'll be facing in the right way. It might be a little hard to see, but that is the 508 mirrored because we're going to be applying our transfer paper. But first we have to get off this extra black that we don't want. We only want our numbers at this point. So this is what it looks like without all the extra black. And I have my piece of transfer paper ready to go. So I'm going to apply that. And then we're going to cut out our numbers individually. I'm going to go ahead and cut them out individually, and then I'm going to use my tool to press them on even harder, but I just want to get them smaller so that it's easier for me to manage when I'm placing it inside the lantern. I'm just using this Cricut tool just to make sure that I get it down. It will be much more easier to get it to attach to the transfer paper if you get it to stick real well. They're all trimmed up right now and sort of in their place. I'm literally just going to eyeball this, guys, and I'm gonna be starting with my 5. So I'm just gonna smooth it on and be able to peel back gently the transfer paper. If you want, you could take a piece of paper and just smooth it down a little bit more. You just don't want to do it right on the vinyl because it could pull it up or ruin it. And now when I shut the door, we got the 5 on. So I'm going to do the rest and I'm going to show you how this turned out. So this is how it turned out, guys. There is the 508 cut beautifully from the Cricut. And I added my mom's little LED candle just to show you how it would exactly look outside in the garden. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial using Cricut Design Space to make your own numbers, make them shrink, and do whatever you want to get them to custom fit a template of your own. And in this case, it was that front door of the lantern. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more tutorials using Cricut Design Space. Anyways, that's it for today. Please guys, leave me a comment. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.